Good morning, everybody. Not my typical intro. So I filmed an intro this morning. It is now like 10 o'clock at night. But I filmed an intro this morning, and then when I went to actually edit the video for you guys today, my intro was gone. I have no idea what happened to it. Maybe I did something wrong. I don't know. But it wasn't there. So anyway, welcome to today's video. It's going to be a lot of RC stuff. Look, I know some of you guys are not fans of the RC stuff. I get that. I don't get to do it very much. So I'm going to video it when I do get to do it. So today's video is going to be a lot of RC stuff. And if you don't like that, that is fine. Just skip this video and we'll see you tomorrow. All right, we're here for race day. You can see all the tents lined up. Everybody's getting their cars ready. So they completely changed the track. As a matter of fact, they even changed, we're running reverse direction than we ran before. Here's one of the newest features. It's a wall. So there's the tabletop, it's all switched around. Let's see if we can get somebody going over the wall here. Around the corner, up over the wall. I have not touched the track yet. I guess I should get out there and put a couple laps on, huh? Alright, so I was able to get my first bit of track time in. Yeah, I still suck. But at least today I can blame the new track, right? So check out this wall element here. So after the wall element, there's this long straightaway, but see the two ramps? Those become blind spots. So from the stand over there, you literally lose sight of your car twice going down the straightaway. That really messes with me. Then the fact that they completely reversed the way you run the track. So we used to go this way, now we're going this way. That also really messes with me. But it's still fun. We'll see how today goes. This new jump in the air, took the air off of it. There we go. The cars get some pretty good air off this lift jump and onto this. There we go. All right, here goes the first heat of the day. I'm in the second heat. Let's see what we got. There. I don't want to process this. Not any worse than the jump. Oh, good Lord. Oh, this is going to be crazy. These are the good guys.
Yeah. Oh, look out, look out.
Going through. Oh my God.
This is going to be a wild race.
Don't die. Oh, good Lord. Alright, first two heats are over. First heat I was second from last. Third heat I was third from last. So I improved a position. Not doing too bad. I mean, I literally had like one practice session on this track, and then I've had 2 heat races. That's it. That's all my experience on this track. So I'm not going to complain. I'm having a great time, and that's what I got this for, right? If I'm going to stress over it, then it might as well be another job. I don't need another job. So anyway, here's my little setup, my table, my bag. I'm pretty minimalist when you look at like the setups they have out here. I just got a table, a bag, and a car because I'm not that serious. All right, y'all, that is the end to a pretty perfect day. Like, I got up, I did my exercising, then I went and raced RC cars, and now I'm home. And since I've been home, not only did we have supper, but I also have been racing on PlayStation 5, Gran Turismo 7 all night. So it's been a really good racing day. I love it. Anywho, that is the end of a lazy Sunday. Had a blast. Tomorrow we pick up my sister from the airport, but not till like 11:30 at night. So you guys won't even see her in the video tomorrow. But anywho, hope you guys had a great weekend. Hope you have a great Monday, and we'll see you tomorrow.